Afternoon, folks, to the Challenge for Benji Top 2 Draft Teams for Select Case 1 for WOC Challenge. Live. Grabbing a list with John on top to Blair at the bottom. Copy that list into the randomizer at 3:38 PM local time. John on top, Blair at the bottom. Dice roller 2 dice, no snake eyes. It's 11 times, looking for the top 2. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 times Lane on top with John on second. Final time 3:38. Congrats to the top 2, and they are spot 8 Lane, spot 7 Adam. Had the 11 times, did go 11 times. Verification code at the bottom. And Lane and Adam are getting to choose some teams. Congrats. Challenge complete.